All right, guys, so let's take a look at problem number 3 from yesterday. This one says, determine the time needed to deliver 72 papers at a rate of 9 papers in 18 minutes. So just one observation here. When I set up a rate, I really like the larger number to be on top. So when I read this question and I see that we are comparing papers and minutes, and I see that the minutes is the larger value, it's totally okay to put minutes on top and papers on bottom. And so at this point, I'm going to identify what rate they've given me. So they told me that it takes 18 minutes to do 9 papers. And what they are asking me is how many minutes is it going to take to do 72 papers? Well, this one turns out to be a lot easier than all of the rest of them. Yes, I could find a unit rate, but I don't need to. So here, how would I turn a 9 into a 72? And I know that I can just do 9 times 8 to equal 72, which means that I know that I'm going to do 18 times 8. And again, if you're not pulling out your calculator to do that work for you, then you're doing too much work. So I just pulled out mine. 18 times 8 is 144 minutes for 72 papers. Now, let's just say that you did want to use a unit rate. You absolutely could say if it's 18 minutes for 9 papers, how many minutes is that for 1 paper? Well, 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2. So the unit rate here is it takes 2 minutes to deliver 1 paper. And then we are finding out how much time does it take to do 72 papers. So 1 times 72, and then 2 times 72. I still get to my 144 minutes for 72 papers. So either way, you can use that unit rate, or if you can see how you can just change a 9 into a 72, just make sure you're keeping that relationship proportional and doing the same thing to the 18. So there you go. Here's example number 3.